G here from OG Creations. Happy Pride to anyone who is celebrating our history, self-expression, and love this month. For Pride 22, I've created 4 new shirt series: Neon Pride Puddle, True Colors, Proud to the Core, and Neon Rainbow Galaxy. Each shirt is paired with a how-to video and will be released each Friday during the month of June. All of these shirts, along with my Pride 22 Men's Bikini and Jock series, are currently available on my Etsy. Why don't you go check them out? Here I'm creating the second shirt in this series, True Colors. I started with a white, 100% cotton tee that I soaked in soda ash and spun out until almost dry. Using a washable marker, I drew the lines for Roy G. Biv. Chinese Red, Orange Crush, Bright Yellow, New Emerald Green, Azure Blue, and Deep Purple. While creating my pleats, I carefully follow my marker guides to create a straight line and tightly secure each section with a rubber band. When creating anything rainbow themed, I always increase the size of the section that I'm dedicating to yellow. Yellow is a tough one for me. No matter how dry my shirt is or how long I wait to apply it after I do my other colors, yellow always acts like a sponge and sucks orange and green into it. By me making the section larger, I can at least get yellow represented. Each shirt is then rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. The shirts are then dried, ironed, and my OGC logo applied. Happy little bluebirds are definitely flying because this friend of Dorothy is in love. What a colorful and unique shirt to wear while celebrating this month. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.